If you could see the world of love through my eyes, you would see that I offer fresh beginnings and endless possibilities to help you create a loving relationship that will last a lifetime. The work we'll do together is dynamic, and my strategies stand the test of time. Your relationship has many facets, fragile moments, and opportunities to create new and lasting bonds. My unique program to enhance relationships goes beyond my formal training. I am able to deeply understand your personal connection and then utilize my innate ability to create tailor-made strategies for you. Together, we will track and analyze how your relationship moves through the days. Your tailor-made strategies will help you change the ways you relate to each other, and they will be your personal guide to know how to continue to strengthen your relationship. Through our collaboration, I will help you light the way to treasure the partner you've chosen and rekindle the sparks of intimacy that may have been lost along your journey. At times, you become adrift and forget the magic that drew you together. You can get lost in traditional therapy, whereas my relationship consulting brings hope, laughter, and intimacy. I will be your guide as you wander through your memories, feeling alive, feeling hope, feeling love, and reconnecting with your partner in a way you never thought possible. The strategies I bring to your relationship will help you strengthen your connection, communication, and commitment as you experience the natural ebbs and flows of your relationship. Every couple is unique and capable of deep connection and meaning. I want to help you not just hold on to your relationship, but help you create your own loving, special bond. If you're ready for real change, to be able to have a long-lasting love through a deeply connected relationship, let me light the way for your endless possibilities. In no time, you will be walking hand in hand with a reignited relationship.